Hey all, it's me China. Today I'm going to share 6 different tea recipes. Masala chai, lemongrass mint tea, Karpuravalli tea, saffron rose tea, Sulaimani tea and ginger tea. First I will prepare masala chai tea. For this, pour 1 cup water into a medium saucepan. Bring it to a simmer. While water is heating, we can prepare the masala. A small piece of ginger, few pieces of star anise, a small cinnamon stick, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 4 to 5 cloves, 5 to 6 cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon coriander seeds. Crush the spices using a mortar and pestle. I am getting almost 1 teaspoon of the masala. Add this masala into the water and let it boil. Masala means a blend of spices. Hence, the tea brewed along with spices is called masala chai. Now add 1 tablespoon tea leaves. Boil for another 2 minutes. Adjust the ratio of the spices and amount of tea leaves for more stronger tea. Add 1 cup whole milk. Boil for another 2 minutes. Now add sugar or sweetener of your choice. I generally use some coconut sugar, jaggery or brown sugar. Our tea is ready. Turn off the flame. Strain the tea into the cup and enjoy. Next, lemongrass and mint tea. This tea helps prevent bloating and premenstrual stress and has a calming effect. Lemongrass is a herb that has antioxidant properties. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. I am going to cut 1 lemongrass stalk from my plant. Mint also has similar properties. Both these herbs are easily available in market. It is also easy to grow at home. We need 7 to 8 mint leaves for the preparation. I washed both the herbs and cut them into small pieces. To make the tea, pour 2 cups of water into a medium saucepan and bring it to a simmer. Next, add the chopped lemongrass and mint leaves. Boil for 2 minutes. Now add tea leaves. I am going to add 1 teaspoon tea leaves. We will not be adding milk to this tea. Adding more tea leaves will make the tea bitter. Boil for another minute and turn off the stove. Strain the tea and add a little bit of lime juice. I am adding honey as a sweetener in this. Enjoy. Next, we are preparing Karpuravalli or Mexican mint tea. Karpuravalli is also known as Mexican mint or Indian borage leaves. This tea is a good remedy for cough and cold. For this I have taken 4 to 5 leaves chopped. Also small piece of ginger, 2 cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I am setting the leaves aside and crushing the rest of the ingredients using mortar and pestle. Add 1 cup water in a saucepan and bring it to a simmer. Next, add the Karpooravalli leaves, crushed spices. Boil for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon tea leaves. Let it boil for another 2 minutes. Add 1 cup milk. Let it boil. Add 2 tablespoons sugar or any sweetener of your choice. Turn off the stove after a minute. Strain it into a cup and enjoy. Next, rose and saffron tea. It has a wonderful rose fragrance and this tea has anti-inflammatory properties. For tea preparation, add 1 cup water in a saucepan and bring it to a simmer. For this I have got some dried rose petals. I ordered these on Amazon. It got a really good fragrance. Add 2 tablespoons of rose petals into the water and boil for a minute. Crush 5 to 6 cardamom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon pepper and 1 cinnamon stick. Add the spice mix to the saucepan and boil for a minute. Add a pinch of saffron to it. Now add 1 tablespoon tea leaves. Boil it. Add 1 cup milk. I am using whole milk. And boil for another 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons sugar or any sweetener of your choice. At last step, I am grating this nutmeg into it. This is optional. It gives this warm nutty flavor and I really love it. Turn off the stove, strain it into a cup and enjoy. Next, I am going to prepare a Suleimani tea. This one is from Kerala and it's a variety of black tea infused with some spices. This tea helps aid digestion. For tea preparation, we will add 2 cup water in a saucepan and bring it to a simmer. Now add 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom pods, 3 cloves, a small piece of ginger, grate it into the water, add half teaspoon tea powder. I am not adding milk into this tea. Adding more tea leaves will make the tea bitter. Boil for a minute. Add 2 tablespoons sugar or any sweetener as your choice and turn off the stove. Half lime juice into it. And cover it with a lid for 5 minutes. Now let's strain it into a cup and enjoy the tea. And now our last recipe, ginger tea. Final one is our basic chai recipe. It's the one I prepare often at our evening. Let's see the preparation. Add 1 cup water in a saucepan and bring it to a simmer. Crush 2 small pieces of ginger, add them into the water. Add 2 pods of cardamom into it. This is optional, I just love the flavor. Boil for a minute. Add 1 tablespoon tea leaves. Let it boil for another 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of whole milk. Let it boil. Add 2 tablespoons sugar or any sweetener of your choice. Turn off the stove after a minute. Tea is ready. Strain it into a cup and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the different tea recipes.